Welcome back, my YouTube friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead. Not just because you don't want to be on the phone doing customer service, non-phone does not have to mean data entry. It can be a wide array of things. And today we have the company ID Tech. They are hiring a human resources assistant. Now, this is a temporary position, but it is full-time remote from the United States. They are looking for someone to help their human resources department in supporting their onboarding of their seasonal staff. So you'll be helping process the employment paperwork, recording the employment data, doing background checks, all of those things. Specifically conducting reference checks via phone and email. You'll also review all of the background checks and coordinate with management and new hires to make sure that all of their I-9s are completed and on file. And you'll provide assistance with any ad hoc administrative projects that the Human Resources Department needs. Now, they are paying anywhere from $16 to $20 an hour for this position, and this position is eligible for 401k and benefits. If that sounds like something for you, they're looking for someone who has 1 to 2 years of clerical office experience, someone who can either work with Microsoft Office or Google Suite, someone who has great attention to detail and can work independently with minimal supervision. If you found this job lead helpful or anything else that I share helpful, please like this video. That gives me direct feedback that it is being helpful. And please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.